Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today I'm going to do something just a little different. I've done our school mascot before here, and my wife has a different version of it in her shop, and it's just simply painted, and it's more of a cartoony character. And so tons of people try to buy it off of her all the time, so I thought, well, I'll program that in and cut it and see if maybe I can sell a few of these. As you can tell by my shirt, I am soaking wet. It is still 100 and something degrees here in Oklahoma, but I needed to get out here to the shop and get some things done, and so I've just dealt with it and been sweating down all afternoon. And this wasn't the first thing I've done. I've already cut another order, so I was worn out when I started. So we're going to cut another school mascot. It's more like home decor, or maybe something you put in your yard, and it's just going to be something a little different. So let's go. So I've had a couple of people ask, why do I just cut just certain spots with the jigsaw? So when it does a cutout, you can see it leaves, I program in spaces that it will leave little chunks so the center sign stays still. Well, that was it, guys. It took a lot longer than what I thought it would, and it was basically due to the painting, and I'm still really not done. I mean, it came out pretty cool, but you really can't pick it up. But I'm going to have to recoat just everything that's white and probably the red, because that airbrush paint, which I try to stay consistent with what I use on painting, it's just really thin paint, and so I'm going to have to recover all this. And you saw how tedious that was, and oh, and how much I love painting. Man, it's a good time. So that's it for today, guys. If y'all haven't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.